Okay guys, welcome guys. So I'm actually making this video in response to one of my follower in TikTok. Yes, so she asked me um, how to measure or how to cut out the neck measurement of your client after you might have taken the neck measurement of that particular client. So as you can see, I'm here to cut the neck of this my client. So we'll be using this particular outfit for that particle. So this particular client of mine has a neck of 16. Now I think I will do a comprehensive video on how to get your neck 16, neck 17, 18 or lesser than that. So let us work with this. So please, like I said earlier, if I post any video and you need clarity on anything that has to do with fashion, just ask your question in the comment section and I will do well to give you an answer. Now I want to get my neck 16. Now this is what I do. This is the breadth of the neck. You see what I'm taking? I'm taking 2.3. I'll mark out 2.3. Now let me just do it in form of a straight line so you can see I'm marking out 2.3. I'll mark out the 2.3 like this. Then you can see I am doing it only at the front fabrics. This is the back, this is the front. So I'm marking it at the front, not the back, at the front. So 2.3, then I will go down by 2.8. So I'll mark 2.8 and I'll come here and I'll mark 2.3 like I did. Then I would make a square. I'll bring a square. Just follow my tips, just follow what I'm doing. You can see what I'm doing. Then from here I'll just make a curve. I'll just make a curve like this. So you can see that from that curve it's just 1 inch. Then from this place too. So you can see how I did that curve. Then I'll now overlay the back to the front and I'll now map, just make a straight line. I can still come here and do 2.32. All I just need to do is to make a straight line like this. Hope you can see what I'm doing. You can see what I have here. So before I cut this out, I will now take my tape, round it to this point to know if it will give me my 16. So let us do that together. So you can see, I believe you can see what I'm doing. So I don't want to obstruct the camera. So you see, let us do it together. See, I'm taking my tape gently. Now the reason why I am doing this thing gently is because I am actually teaching. If I wasn't making a video to explain this, then you know I would be very fast. So I'm trying to take my time to do it gently. Now you see, here we have, from this place we have 6. So I'll just turn to that 6 and see we have what? 8.3. So you can see that we are safe. 8, that's 16 divided by 2 is what? Giving us 8. So you see this neck now, it is perfect for what? Neck 16 and neck 17. So you see that to have your neck 16 or 17, you will do your the breadth would be what? 2.3, while the length from the front part would be what? 2.8. But if you want to get your exact 16, all you just need to do is this, your length, you will just mark out 2 inches. You just mark out 2 inches. Then you do the same thing here. This one will still be 2.8. Then definitely once you go around it, you will achieve your immediate 16. Then if you want to get for your 18, instead of doing 2.3, you will just do 2.5. Then you will come down here by 3. Like I said, I will make a comprehensive video on how to get your neck 16 and 17, 18 and 19, 20 and 21 or lesser, like that. So this is actually for neck 16. You can see what we did here, 2.3 by what? 2.8. Then you bring down the back part and trace it. Then you do what I just did. Then all I just need to do now is I'll just cut, because I already have what I want. So I'll just cut the material, the neck parts. So guys, if you actually like tips like this and you want me to continue doing tips like this, please, I want you to follow me as you are watching this video. And if you want to follow me on YouTube also, you can go to my bio. You will see my YouTube link, so you can see what we have here. So let's still remeasure what we did the first time. Let's just see if we will still have the accuracy that we had. So you can see that's what I'm still doing. I see that's what I'm still doing. All you just need to do is you just take your time. You can see exactly what it's. So that's just it. It's just a plus or minus, and definitely nobody will teach you this kind of a thing. That's why I just took it upon myself to do this kind of tutorial. I will show you guys secrets, simple secrets that will make you achieve what you want. So please follow me on TikTok, follow me on Facebook at Keywears. Go to my bio on TikTok, you will see my YouTube link. Click it and subscribe. And I think I would also add my Facebook link to my TikTok bio so that you can also follow me on Facebook. Thank you very much, guys. Please don't forget to share this video. Please share this video. Thank you very much, guys.